Hello. Tomorrow the weekend begins. I am very happy. On Saturday, I am meeting up with my friends from work. First, we'll go for a run to the airport. Then we'll go to the Capagna complex to play soccer. At night, we'll meet up with our wives and go dancing at a club. On Sunday morning, I'll meet up with my family and we'll go for a trip to Namora. We'll go boring and the lagoon. In the afternoon, we'll return to the city and visit my wife's parents. Then we'll watch a movie on TV, eat cookies, and drink delicious tea.